In eastern Switzerland, nestled between Lake Constance and the towering Sentis Massif, the countryside is dominated by gently rolling hills, where tradition still plays an important part. At the center of this region lies the city of St. Gallen with its university and monastery. St. Gallen looks back proudly on a long history of involvement in textiles. St. Gallen is the home of the globally active Salzmann Group. This is where threads from all over the world come together. Here, incoming orders are received, and the finished products are dispatched. The manufacturing process for our VenosanEn compression stockings consists of a number of production stages. The yarns for VenosanEn compression stockings originate in the Salzmann Stretch yarn covering factory. The yarns are either single or double covered. Covering elastic lycra with specially selected yarns makes it easier to control its stretch and strength. This yarn covering also protects the lycra against external influences. Continuous measurements during the production process, together with laboratory tests, guarantee compliance with our high-quality demands. Thanks to years of expertise and our own yarn covering factory, we manufacture innovative stockings which are extremely comfortable to wear. Before the yarns reach the knitting mill, we check them again and wind them onto precision cones. Every day, the Salzmann Mesh Knitting Mill produces over 1,000 pairs of standard and made-to-measure stockings on modern knitting machines. In spite of the latest technology and highly specialized equipment, employees like this man threading a machine remain indispensable. Specialist skills and checks are also needed during the knitting phase. We regularly test the quality of the unfinished stockings. Our sewing shop is located immediately next to the knitting mill. Using their dexterity and experience, our employees make a major contribution to the transformation of the yarn into a high-quality stocking. Various self-supporting tops are used, depending on the style of stocking, and they must be trimmed to the appropriate length. Every stage of production is undertaken with the greatest care. This thoroughness guarantees that the stockings are comfortable to wear, the most important requirement of our customers. Sewing on the self-supporting tops demands a lot of experience and a high degree of concentration. Our compression stockings are ironed and then given their final inspection. Before they leave the sewing shop, all made-to-measure stockings are checked again to make sure that the measurements are accurate. Standard-size VenosanEn stockings, which come in a variety of colors, are knitted white. Our seamstresses need great skill for sewing pantyhose together. And finally, the waistband is sewn on. The unfinished white stockings or pantyhose are then dyed. After the dyeing process, we compare the shade with the reference sample before dispatch. Our Quality Assurance Department regularly verifies that the stockings have the correct pressure gradient. This inspection enables us to guarantee compliance with the required standards. Over 3,000 different articles in the VenosanEn ranges of compression and support stockings are warehoused at the Salzman Medico Distribution Center. Customer orders are transmitted directly to our modern packing department, where the individual items are called up and the orders put together. Every pair of stockings is inspected once again, correctly folded, and packed before dispatch. VenosanEn products are sold all over the world. Apart from our knitting mill in Switzerland, Salzman stockings are also produced in Egypt, Brazil, China, and the United States with the same degree of care and quality. Ongoing education and training for our clients and our employees guarantee the necessary specialist expertise. Step into a healthy future together with Salzman.